in this matchup. Okay, let's see. So, Ramen's starting off with Banjo. Getting in some... They're just neutering out right now, trying to go for some stuff. Ooh. We're going for the big plays and getting some board off of it. Not too much stuff. Ooh, nice back there coming out from Ooh. Coming out with some solid, like, starting on him, like, gunning him out a bit. Getting the nice big people's head lead. Ooh, but Jem doing a bit. Will he make the conversion back? Ooh, the SD? Ooh, SD. That's a big oof on Ramen. How will Jem convert off of this? How will he convert off of this? Take it to a huge lead. Getting 56 so far. Ooh, Ramen's playing a little risky now. Trying to get the kill. Up smash for the kill. Getting a 2-stock. Banjo, that what? The Zoo. Zoo showed him out of it. Ooh, but now Banjo's doing his real. Ooh, the side be taking the stock. Solid play. Fortunate SD at the beginning, but he might be able to take it back. Ooh, the up air screen. Down throw. One for one. Jump turning get zoned out by Ramen, spamming a little bit of egg. But he went in, kept on camping, might have been able to take the off, like, get it closer. But now he's getting, playing a little too aggressive.
Alright, and I am back.
Bad. Not bad at anything. Except for when, the first stuff that, Jem-Fury, they were actually fairly good.
And
then,
Jab is gonna do it.
Solid reads on the second stock, with that up smash. But not that good plays coming out from things. That was an unfortunate SD at the beginning there. Almost brought that match back. Got it if that didn't got it.
This is gonna be a best of 5. Ramen that took that game?
No, it was Jem.
Jam taking the game with the jab.
Yeah. Ramen, he had the first stock and then Jem took the away, got on a with up smash.
Oh, unfortunate.
And then that, he did really good taking it back on that last stock. Ooh, Jem just gets out. How will this?
Right, we got Ramen sticking on the banjo. Interesting.
This matchup seems actually better for Banjo than Kirby because he can kind of just zone out Bowser better. Less, less, but when Gem does get in, we can get a lot of off Banjo. Ooh, getting hit by only two zone grenades.
Yeah, I think Banjo could do a lot of spacing. I think that also Bowser does just a whole lot of damage once he gets in. I'm just trying to make up for the lost percent with these projectiles here.
Yeah.
And Gem just wants to weigh in.
Yeah, Roman kind of had a thing. Ooh, that side B almost eating it up. He's only at a 6. Ooh, down throw, up there, up there. Ooh, down there, even didn't get up again. This is really close now. Ooh, side B barely connected. Ooh, don't punish.
For it.
No punish though. Ooh, and the down throw. No,
Almost had the
nothing
call out.
converting off down throw though.
If he gets a grab here and puts him on the platform, it could be a death for Banjo. Is he
Ooh,
gonna?
bad side B? Ooh,
Oh, the
nice.
confirm.
Taking the stock.
Bowser's looking for a grab.
Jum's playing a little risky. Trying to get that kill.
He's really just being
Oh,
aggressive. Not trying to give Bowser any options here. Barely not gonna do it.
Hopefully he can take more of a lead if he wants to have a better chance against Bowser. Bowser is doing a lot of damage to the guy.
Bowser's getting his way in now, and he's going for the side
Ooh,
B
and
onto
the
the
dash.
platform.
And it's not even that far off. Like, that's one aerial for Bowser and it's all ooh, thanks to the version with the egg. Locking him into the hey, you know how budget or Jigglypuff or Kirby is budget Jigglypuff?
I heard Jigglypuff got some pretty good latest update. She has a lot more
Kirby.
confirms.
So did Kirby. But
Ooh, beating out the fire.
Kirby is basically like a budget puff. So and I think like Banjo's kind of just budget thing. Maybe budget because it's
Not killing just yet. 150. That might have. No, he has a jump still.
ooh, but Ramen's almost
Back throw.
Solid game plan though. Ooh, bad.
Oh, unlucky.
Oh, and the
SDA.
S. Really get the kill with like some crazy aerial or something. Ooh, random. Throwing out a side beam, it just working.
And we're looking at a fresh restart here. Both players have one stock.
21, 30.
Bowser just wants, once he gets in, he wants to stay in. He doesn't want to get spaced out by these projectiles.
And especially Gem's about, ooh, he's backing off a little bit.
He's
Gem's
found
about
his opening.
usually like pushes very fast in and uses like air and like air and stuff to kind of like pushes the damage. Also, that forward tilt being really strong. He's playing patiently so he doesn't get into a situation where he can get zoned out again.
Exactly.
Using that Wonder Wing to get out of that situation. So, it's really solid.
Gem's looking really good here in percent. All he has to do is keep him at bay. Oh, the read out.
Not gonna kill though.
Oh,
And
the teabag.
He gets onto the ledge. He can get
Forward air beating
not quite
out.
getting the invincibility on the Wonder Wing.
Are we looking at a 1-1 right now as a score?
No, it's 2-1 or 2. Wait, did he get one yet?
Right, or 2-0 Gem.
Yeah.
Ramen had a really dominant lead in all of his brackets so far. Gem may be the one to break it. If Gem takes this next one, it's gonna look like he's gonna be out of the tournament.
Or maybe Ramen can make 3-0. We never know.
I believe it's possible.
Who's he gonna switch to though?
That's a good question. I think Ramen was. Go ahead.
I wonder if he's gonna switch off the Banjo though.
The Banjo hasn't been working out too well for him, even though he's been leading in percent for most of the battle. Once Gem gets in there, he's really tacking on that damage hard.
Yeah. They're going Unova, I think. Should be interesting. Unova is basically like PS2 with slightly higher platforms and also like the walls, which lets you easily wall jump or easier wall jump. If you switch, yeah, he is switching the boss.
Interesting.
Go to Unova because PS2 is really good for Fox, but this is like better PS2 basically. It's like halfway in between PS2 and Halo, I would say.
Oh, that's gonna be a lot of early percent right there with that fire.
48 off of one.
I feel like, in my opinion, against this matchup, Fox has a hard time approaching because of just Bowser's forward airs covers so much range.
Ooh, getting some lasers. Ooh, but this high beam, is it gonna take the shock? It is.
Killing on the top left platform.
Yeah.
Gem's looking at a really nice lead here.
Really good. Maybe Ramen can take it back though if he uses some solid crazy combos. Or Gem's gonna take it slow against this well, so he doesn't get into any situations where he can get easily impressed by his strong combo game.
Gem's getting in his head, reading out all of these just missed attacks. Oh, running right into the fire.
He's gonna up smash there. Go on that top platform.
Back through, almost did it. Good DI.
I wanna see some crazy music from Gem.
He tried going for the forward smash. And F-Air is gonna do it.
2-stock deficit on Ramen. Ooh, this is looking very unfortunate for Ramen. Ooh, okay.
I believe anything is possible. Ramen could do it. He just needs to get a good grip here. He may have got it. Nice.
Ooh, he did die from it. Didn't quite make it back.
He has to take Bowser off stage. Oh,
Ooh,
Gem's feeling himself with the taunt.
Can we see the taunt to get bodied? Probably not. Oh,
it's looking very nice for Ramen right now, as he feels like he's just racking up all these combos, trying to really space out.
Body.
He hasn't done any percent to Ramen this life so far.
Gem taunted. It's a taunt to get bodied.
Once Bowser starts throwing out these forward airs, it's looking a little dangerous.
He's just taking his damage up and up and up.
He doesn't want to have a free there.
If he does kill him now, he could take his back. But ooh, nice back there. Not gonna quite
Looking
kill
for
him. Bowser is the heaviest character in the game.
Bowser is quite heavy. If he got that edge guard, it would have been very nice. Oh, very nice. Nice call, nice call. Good reaction. Gem knows the outcome of this game, but Ramen could definitely change it. He just has to pull some magic here. He's trying to space him out. He just needs to get a good few strings. He needs 3 good strings.
Gem hopes he does that from this game. Oh, he does.
And not even hitting the top platform kills him on center stage. That's 3-0 Gem. Very nice play by Gem there. Once he's able to get in, he's really going for all the damage that he's lost just by taking it all.